Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is the second episode and here we will create and use components. So open your code editor, open src folder and here create a new folder, components. Inside this folder, create a new file. You can give any name over here, but I will add create and use component.js. We'll create functional component. Functional component is just like a simple function, so add function and a component name. I would say create and use component, but remember it should always begin with the capital letter. Then inside this return we can add our HTML. So let's add a div tag, and inside this div let's add the s2 tag. Add welcome to React. So we have created our first component, but this component should be available for import. So we have to export this component. To export name, add export default and a component name. Now this component is available for import. So let's import them under app.js. On top, add import and a component name. Then at the bottom, we can use this as the element. Check the preview and we can see welcome to React. It means our component is working. Now let's remove this text. So in app.js, remove this h1 tag. Now go back to our component and here let's add a button. So after this s2 tag, add a button tag. Read more. Let's also add a class called box in the div tag. Check the preview and now we can see title and a button. Look-wise, it is looking bad, so open app.css. You can remove all this default CSS and instead add my own custom CSS. If you want to add them, you can find them in my GitHub account. I have shared a link in the description below. Once CSS is added, check the preview again, and this time it is looking much better. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on the style. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you.